I am Mandar Vichare. I am going to start with a branch of science which is very important branch, and that is chemistry. Now chemistry is called as a central branch of science because every branch of science needs chemistry. The basic knowledge of science is very important. Now if you see different branches of chemistry, there are different branches of chemistry, that is physical chemistry, inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry and analytical chemistry. Now specifically in physical chemistry, it deals with study of states of matter, their properties, their interaction. Say for example, the energy forms, that is different energy forms and their conversions, their laws and principles, all these physical aspects which we study in a branch of chemistry, and that is the physical chemistry. Second thing is your organic chemistry. Organic chemistry specifically deals with carbon compounds and their applications. So what are the applications of carbon compounds? What are the chemical properties? What are the physical properties of carbon compounds that we study under a branch of chemistry, and that is organic chemistry. Third, we have inorganic chemistry. Under inorganic chemistry, specifically we study about metals and non-metals, their applications, their chemical properties and their reactions. Under analytical chemistry, which is also a new branch, it is said to be a new branch of chemistry, and here we are going to study regarding different components, their properties. Say for example, an oil sample is there, and oil sample contains different components. So how we are going to analyze that oil sample with respect to different components? So all these aspects we are going to study in a certain branch of chemistry, and that branch is your analytical chemistry. So that is why, like as science has different branches. So same in case of chemistry also, it has different branches. So chemistry is simply a central branch of science because every branch of science requires a basic knowledge of chemistry. So I can say that science is incomplete without chemistry. Now, just I told that there are different branches of chemistry. One of the branch I am going to say, that is about the organic chemistry. Now as I told that under organic chemistry we study carbon compounds. Now carbon compounds, if I think about carbon compounds, we can say about hydrocarbons. Now what do you mean by hydrocarbons? Hydrocarbons are the compounds which consist of hydrogen and carbons. Now these hydrocarbons, they may be aliphatic means open chain, they may be cyclic also, means ring-like structure. Now if you see the aliphatic hydrocarbons are open chain. So open chain means they may be unsaturated or saturated. So in other words, I can say that hydrocarbons are aliphatic in nature, which may be unsaturated or saturated.